What's the meaning of biro? Biro. Biro.
Biro. Biro. The term biro usually refers to a type of ballpoint pen that is commonly used around the world. The name biro is actually derived from the surname of its inventor, Laszlo Biro, who patented the design in 1938. Since then, the biro pen has become ubiquitous and has transformed the way people write, particularly in office and educational settings. Compared to traditional fountain pens, which require constant refilling of ink and can easily leak or spill, the biro pen is much more convenient and reliable. It is now available in a wide variety of colors and designs, making it a popular choice for both personal and professional use.